Think you need a big backyard to grow fresh food? What if a space the size of a parking spot could produce baskets of vegetables? Raised garden beds turn tiny spaces into productive gardens. Today, you will learn to design, build, and grow your own in patios, side yards, or narrow strips. Small space gardening has one big challenge. Every inch matters. Raised beds solve that beautifully. First, they concentrate good soil exactly where plants grow. No fighting poor ground. Start with a rich, loose mix. Second, raised beds warm faster in spring. Warmer soil means faster growth and earlier harvests. Third, organization is simple. Each bed becomes its own growing zone. Tomatoes here, lettuce there, herbs in the corner. Another bonus, less bending, fewer weeds, and easier watering. Think of a raised bed as a vegetable garden in a box, a very productive box. The result is more harvest from less space and better control of moisture for consistent results. Quick question, what is your biggest challenge? Soil, space, weeds, or watering? Tell me in the comments. In small spaces, size matters. Not bigger, smarter. 4 feet wide lets you reach the center from either side without stepping on soil. For length, start with 6 to 8 feet if you have room. Even a 4x4 can grow a surprising amount of food. Height, 8 to 12 inches works well for most vegetables. Root crops like carrots appreciate 12 to 16 inches. Leave at least 2 feet of walking space around beds. Your future self will thank you when it is time to harvest without gymnastics. Would you build one bed or several smaller ones? Tell me what layout you would try in your space. Raised beds can be simple or fancy. Plants do not care. Just give them good soil and sun. Wood is most popular. Untreated cedar or redwood resists rot for years. On a budget, regular lumber works, though it may last fewer seasons. Metal beds last long and reflect heat. Handy in cooler climates. Concrete blocks are durable, affordable, and easy to stack. Simple hardware is enough. Screws and corner brackets keep frames square. One rule, avoid treated lumber that contains harmful chemicals around food. Vegetables are not picky about style. They will happily grow in fancy cedar or a humble, recycled frame. Choose what fits your budget and space. Soil is the engine of a raised bed. Get this right and everything else is easier. Use a simple mix, 1/3 compost, 1/3 quality topsoil, and 1/3 aeration material like coconut coir, peat moss, or aged bark. This combination holds moisture yet drains well. Roots grow easily and plants grow faster. Every season, add a layer of compost on top to recharge the soil battery. Moisten thoroughly to activate soil life and reduce settling. Mulch helps retain moisture and reduces weeds. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants. Healthy plants produce more food in less space. When space is limited, grow plants that give the most per square foot. Leafy greens are champions, fast and harvestable many times. Tomatoes. One healthy plant can produce pounds of fruit. Bush beans stay compact and produce quickly. Herbs pack big flavor into tiny spaces. Do not forget vertical growing. Cucumbers and pole beans love to climb. Even small melons can go vertical with support. Vertical gardening is like adding a second floor to your garden. Small space, big harvest. If you could grow only 3 crops, which would you choose? Drop them in the comments. The secret to productive small gardens is spacing. Traditional gardens spread plants out. Raised beds use closer spacing because the soil is richer. Square foot gardening works well. Divide the bed into small sections. For example, 1 tomato plant per square, 4 lettuce plants, 9 spinach plants. It looks dense at first, but plants shade soil, reduce weeds, and use space efficiently. Another smart trick is succession planting. When one crop finishes, plant something new in the same space. Your raised bed stays productive all season. Raised beds turn small spaces into productive food gardens with less work and better results. Takeaways: raised beds maximize limited space and improve soil quality. An ideal bed is about 4 feet wide, so every plant is easy to reach. Great soil makes the difference. Compost-rich mixes grow stronger plants, grow high-yield crops, and use vertical space whenever possible. Smart spacing and succession keep your garden productive all season. Start with one simple 4x4 bed and place it where it gets 6 to 8 hours of sun. Gardening does not require acres. The most productive gardens can grow in the smallest spaces. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share your top takeaway. Please watch the next video on the screen now. See you soon.